The city burned, but we still whispered her name.
They vanished before dawn, leaving ghosts behind. Even the river seemed afraid to move. She stood tall, even when everything else fell. We watched their empire fall, but dared not cheer. Même le marbre pleurait en ces temps-là. Graves were the only things that multiplied.
We had no umbrellas. Only fear to keep us dry.
We spoke softly,
So fear wouldn't hear us.
even faith was cracked, but it didn't fall. We waited for departures that never arrived. We dug the earth to survive the sky.
Messages meant death or freedom.
The smell of bread and fire never left my mind.
They healed more than bodies down there.
They carried whole lives in their eyes. Nous avons marché sur leurs visages avant qu'ils ne disparaissent. Hunger was the quietest weapon they used. We walk through fire, holding tomorrow's hand. Even children's desks became operating tables.
Les rails ne menaient nulle part sinon à la perte.
Silence became our anthem. Innocence survived where logic couldn't.
The simple of glass meant another goodbye.
Heaven stared back from every hole in the earth. We waved mirrors to the sky, begging for angels with wings of metal. The truth came whispered through static. La routine était notre seule rébellion. Even iron looked fragile back then. Faith had no uniform in those days.
Justice didn't cheer. It stared.
The music stopped, but the echoes stayed.
Nous avons brûlé leur langue avant le lever du soleil.
He waited hours for one heartbeat to end.
Le souterrain est devenu notre berceau.
La guerre a laissé ses ossements dans nos jardins.
Nous avons repris les toits pièce par pièce.
that moment, Paris breathed again.
The bullets stopped making sense before they stopped flying.
We erased their faces to remember our own.
Freedom arrived in traffic!
The river carried our sins first.
Hope came shouting before truth did.
The noise of ending was louder than war itself.
Even chaos tried to sound like celebration.
We cheered through the dust. Sweetness felt foreign at first. We were free and exhausted.
Color returned before calm did.
We touch proof of survival!
Laughter came back on trembling lips. For once, pride didn't need words.
We danced between ghosts.
Beauty was the bravest act left.
Paris lived, and so did I.